Our topic is the wealthiest individual temples in the world and their rough wealth estimates in crores of Indian rupees. Temples are not just places of worship, they are living treasuries of faith, history, gold, land, donations, and public trust assets. But remember, all figures are approximate because temple wealth is spread across gold reserves, bank deposits, investments, land holdings, and ancient endowments. Rank from the highest to lowest. Number 1, Tirupati Balaji Temple, one of the most visited religious institutions in the world. Its wealth is generated every day through donations, gold offerings, fixed deposit, investments, and vast land assets. Its total assets are widely estimated around 1.5 lakh crore to 2.5 lakh crore rupees, making it one of the richest temples in the world. Number 2, Sri Padmanabha Swami Temple, famous for its mysterious underground vaults. Gold coins, crowns, jewelry, and royal treasures accumulated over centuries. Its estimated wealth is around 1 lakh to 1.5 lakh crore rupees. Its some vaults still surrounded by mystery. Number 3, Sri Sai Baba Temple, built on public devotion. Its gold, cash reserves, investments, and properties are estimated around 25,000 to 30,000 crore. Number 4, Golden Temple, Harmandir Sahib. Its gold, donations, land, and trust assets are roughly estimated to be around 20,000 to 25,000 crore. Number 5, Vaishnava Devi Temple. With huge pilgrim donations, gold, cash reserves, and real estate assets, its wealth is estimated to be around 15,000 to 20,000 crore. Number 6, Jagannath Temple, Puri, one of the oldest living temples in the world. Its temple lands, gold ornaments, and heritage assets are valued around 10,000 to 15,000 crore. Number 7, Guruvayur Sri Krishna Temple, one of Kerala's richest temples, with reported bank deposit of around 1,737 crore and around 271 acres of land. Its total assets are often placed around 2,500 crore. Number 8, Sabrimala Ayyappa Temple, one of India's highest earning pilgrimage centers and a major annual revenue source for the Travancore Devasam Board. Recent reports mention nearly 600 crore annual contribution, but its total asset estimate varies widely. And that is the hidden truth. Temple wealth is difficult to rank perfectly. Some temples hold ancient gold, some hold land, some hold bank deposits, and some generate massive yearly income through pilgrims. But this wealth is not personal wealth. It belongs to the deity, the trust, and the people. It supports rituals, free food, hospitals, education, charity, and cultural preservation. So the real value of temple wealth is not gold. It is faith converted into service, history converted